Enhancing the ambience of your home can be as simple as adding a touch of greenery. Plants not only bring a breath of fresh air, but also contribute to the aesthetic appeal of any space. One creative way to showcase your houseplants is by crafting personalized DIY plant stands. Not only do these stands add character to your corners, but they also provide a perfect opportunity to indulge in a hands-on DIY project. We'll explore some delightful and easy-to-make DIY plant stand ideas that breathe new life into your home. Dowel Delight. Transform basic dowels into stylish plant stands that exude elegance. All you need are dowels of varying lengths, wood glue, and a dash of creativity. Arrange the dowels in a geometric pattern, glue them together, and paint them in a color that complements your decor. This simple yet chic design adds a modern touch to your indoor greenery. Repurposed Wonders. Give new life to everyday items by repurposing them into unique plant stands. Consider using wire tomato cages as a base for your stands. Spray paint them in vibrant hues, and place your potted plants on the circular openings. This imaginative approach not only showcases your plants, but also adds an element of recycling to your home decor. Floating plant shelves. For a minimalist and space-saving option, create floating plant shelves. Install wooden boards on your wall, staggered at different heights, and let your plants seemingly float in midair. This design not only maximizes floor space, but also turns your plant collection into an eye-catching wall art installation. Terracotta Tower. Embrace the rustic charm of terracotta pots by stacking them to form a tower-like structure. Connect the pots with strong adhesive or secure them with metal rods. This tiered plant stand provides a visually appealing display for a variety of plant sizes, creating a cascading effect that draws the eye upward. Ladder Love. Repurpose an old wooden ladder into a multi-tiered plant stand. Simply place your potted plants on the ladder steps, allowing them to cascade down gracefully. This shabby chic design not only adds a vintage vibe to your space, but also offers an interesting focal point for your indoor garden. Transforming your living spaces into lush, green havens is a delightful journey that goes beyond the simple act of introducing plants. The key is to add character to your corners, both inside and outside, and what better way to achieve this than through the charm of personalized DIY plant stands. In this curated list, we've handpicked some of the most outstanding DIY plant stand ideas to ensure that your houseplants not only thrive, but also become captivating focal points in every room. Dowel Delight. Unleashing elegance with wooden wonders. Embrace simplicity with dowels, turning them into stylish plant stands that radiate modern elegance. By arranging dowels in captivating geometric patterns, securing them with wood glue, and applying a palette that harmonizes with your decor, you effortlessly blend sophistication with the organic beauty of your plants. Repurposed Wonders. From tomatoes to top-notch decor. Embark on a journey of recycling and creativity by repurposing wire tomato cages into unique plant stands. A splash of vibrant spray paint transforms these everyday items into eye-catching supports for your potted friends, seamlessly merging practicality with artistic expression. Floating plant shelves. Minimalist magic on your walls. Explore the wonders of minimalism with floating plant shelves that not only save space, but also transform your wall into a living canvas. By installing wooden boards at varying heights, you create an enchanting display where your plants appear to defy gravity, adding a touch of magic to your indoor oasis. Terracotta Tower. Rustic elegance in tiered form. Embrace the rustic charm of terracotta pots by crafting a tiered tower that celebrates the beauty of your plants. Connected with strong adhesives or secured with metal rods, this stand provides a visually captivating display, creating a cascading effect that draws the eye upward and invites admiration. Ladder Love. Vintage vibes for your indoor garden. Breathe new life into an old wooden ladder by repurposing it into a multi-tiered plant stand. This shabby chic design not only introduces a touch of vintage vibes to your space, but also becomes a conversation piece, offering an aesthetically pleasing platform for your flourishing indoor garden. Your home deserves to be a sanctuary of greenery and creativity, and these hand-picked DIY plant stand ideas are the perfect companions on your journey. By incorporating these designs, you not only elevate the aesthetic appeal of your space, but also infuse each room with your unique style. Let your plants shine in personalized stands that are as distinctive as they are charming, turning your home into a haven of natural beauty and DIY mastery. Elevating your houseplants to new heights is not only about showcasing their beauty, but also about infusing your home with creativity and personality. With these DIY plant stand ideas, you can turn ordinary materials into extraordinary displays that reflect your unique style. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your materials, and embark on a journey to transform your home into a green haven with these delightful and personalized plant stands. Macrame Magic. Bohemian Plant Hangers. Explore the bohemian side of plant decor by crafting DIY macrame plant hangers. Using thick cords and basic knotting techniques, suspend your potted plants in intricate patterns. This adds a touch of free-spirited elegance to your home, turning your plants into hanging masterpieces. Copper Pipe Elegance. Industrial Chick Stands. Embrace the industrial chic trend by crafting plant stands from copper pipes. These sleek and modern structures not only provide sturdy support, but also add a touch of metallic sophistication to your green ensemble. Experiment with different shapes and sizes to create a customized display. Repurposed Furniture. Vintage Charm. Give old furniture a new purpose by transforming it into unique plant stands. Use vintage chairs, wooden crates, or even an antique sewing machine table to create eye-catching platforms for your plants. This not only adds a touch of nostalgia, but also contributes to sustainable and eco-friendly decor. Concrete Creations. Modern Minimalism. Tap into modern minimalism with DIY concrete plant stands. Craft geometric shapes, or go for a classic cylindrical design using concrete mix and molds. The neutral tones of concrete provide a sleek and contemporary backdrop, allowing your plants to take center stage. Hanging Garden Trellis. Vertical Greenery. Maximize your vertical space by creating a hanging garden trellis. Use wooden planks or repurposed pallets to construct a multi-level structure where your plants can climb and intertwine. This not only adds visual interest, but also promotes healthy growth for climbing plants. Nested Plant Tables. Tiered Tranquility. Craft nested tables with varying heights to create a tiered effect for your plants. Use wood or metal materials to build these tables, allowing you to display a variety of plants at different levels. This design not only adds depth to your arrangement, but also facilitates easy watering and maintenance. Mason Jar Marvels. Miniature plant sanctuaries. Embrace the charm of mason jars by repurposing them into small plant stands. Securely attach jars to wooden boards or metal frames, creating miniature plant sanctuaries for succulents or herbs. This DIY project adds a touch of whimsy to your space and is perfect for small plant collections. Conclusion. Dive into the world of DIY plant stands with these additional ideas, each offering a unique blend of style and functionality. Whether you prefer the bohemian allure of macrame, the industrial chic of copper pipes, or the vintage charm of repurposed furniture, there's a DIY plant stand idea for every taste and space. Elevate your home's greenery to new heights and let your creativity flourish alongside your thriving plants.